In 2026, a new generation of PCP air rifles is reaching performance levels once thought impossible, combining extreme precision, advanced power systems, and long-range capability that is reshaping how shooters view traditional shooting platforms. From high-pressure regulated systems to slug-ready barrels and fully refined tuning platforms, this video breaks down how today's PCP air rifles have evolved, why they are gaining massive attention, and what truly separates them from older generations of air guns. Some shooters are even calling this the beginning of a new era in shooting sports, where advanced air-powered systems are becoming legitimate tools for training, hunting, and precision shooting at a completely new level of consistency. Stay with me until the end, because what you are about to see explains exactly why this technology is turning so many heads in 2026. Let's start with the AEA Zeus .72 caliber, widely recognized as one of the most powerful production air rifles ever built, delivering big game level power from compressed air in a platform that feels more like a serious hunting machine than a traditional air gun. It comes in 16-inch, 24-inch, and 32-inch barrel configurations, with performance climbing hard as barrel length increases. Depending on setup, muzzle energy ranges from around 675 foot-pounds to well over 1,500 foot-pounds, with some heavy projectile setups pushing past 1,600 foot-pounds. Velocity can reach up to 1,000 feet per second, and it launches massive .72 caliber slugs weighing up to 1180 grains, delivering serious impact for large game. The rifle runs at up to 4,500 psi and uses air reservoirs from 300 cubic centimeters to 660 cubic centimeters depending on model, giving it the stored pressure needed for that kind of output. It uses a smooth side lever cocking system built around precision and power, and the platform includes Picatinny and Weaver rail space for optics, bipods, and field accessories. What makes the Zeus truly stand apart is that all this power comes without gunpowder. In long-term survival thinking, that matters. It can be refilled with a high-pressure compressor or hand pump, offering a path to sustained use even when traditional ammunition supplies become scarce. And let's be honest, the stopping power here is what turns heads. With energy levels rivaling traditional hunting rifles like the .30-30, this thing is capable of taking some of the largest game in North America, from wild boar and deer to bison and bear. Built for extreme hunting, survival preparedness, and shooters seeking unmatched pneumatic power, the AEA Zeus typically sells for about $1,200 to $1,800 depending on configuration, firmly placing it in premium territory. Next is the Air Force Tex-Rex .510, a super bore PCP air rifle built purely for extreme big game power, born from a collaboration with Hunter Du Plessis and designed as a full-blown pneumatic powerhouse for serious hunting work. Built on the massive Texan platform and bored out to .510 caliber, it is designed to launch heavy 500 to 600 grain lead slugs with raw authority. Muzzle energy runs in the 750 to 800 plus foot-pound range, while velocity pushes around 800 feet per second, putting it deep into serious hunting territory. It operates at 3,625 psi through a 490 cubic centimeter carbon fiber bottle that also serves as the stock, keeping the rifle balanced despite its long 34-inch barrel. What makes the .510 bore so special is projectile flexibility. Unlike many so-called 50 caliber air guns using smaller bores, this platform can use standard cast lead bullets made for 50, 70, and 50-90 sharps, opening up a massive range of projectile choices for hunters and survival shooters. Accuracy is driven by a premium heavy-walled Lothar Walther barrel, specifically rifled for heavyweight slugs and built to stay precise even past 100 yards. Feeding all that power is a massive custom-tuned valve system engineered to release huge volumes of air instantly, because moving a 500-grain slug takes serious force. In real-world use, this rifle is built for extreme hunting, survival preparedness, and shooters who want big-bore performance without traditional gunpowder, and it typically sells for around $1,700 to $2,000, placing it among the most serious production air rifles ever made. Next is the Hatsan Piledriver .50, a brute force PCP air rifle built to drive massive energy into the largest game animals on Earth, combining high-pressure, long-range terminal performance with a raw power that makes it a true beast. It fires .50 caliber, .510 slugs, and can push over 800 foot-pounds of energy, launching 440 grain plus projectiles at roughly 850 feet per second. Power comes from a 4,350 psi system fed by a 480 cubic centimeter carbon fiber bottle, while a 33-inch quiet energy shrouded barrel helps squeeze every bit of performance from the platform. One thing that makes this rifle stand out is the bullpup design. At just 46.5 inches overall, it stays shorter and more maneuverable than many big bore rivals while still packing a massive barrel. It also uses an extra long loading gate, allowing ultra-long, high ballistic coefficient slugs many air rifles simply cannot run, which is a serious advantage for long-range energy retention. Control is just as impressive. The adjustable Quattro 2 stage trigger gives shooters fine-tuned shot control rarely seen in rifles this powerful, while the high-pressure 300-bar regulated system helps maintain full-force performance for roughly 3 to 5 serious shots before refill. And despite the power, the quiet energy shroud tones down muzzle blast enough to make it noticeably more manageable than a traditional .50 firearm. Then there is the impact. An 800 foot-pound, .510 slug carries tremendous sectional density and can pass completely through wild boar or deer at 100 yards, doing the kind of work many would expect from a .45-70. That is why many shooters see it as an under-the-radar heavyweight, especially where large-caliber firearms face restrictions, and at about $1,000 to $1,200, it delivers enormous capability for the money. Now let's talk about the Umarex Hammer .50, widely considered one of the most firearm-like big-bore air rifles ever built, blending raw power with modern rifle engineering and featuring a bolt-action magazine system that allows faster follow-up shots than most single-shot big-bore platforms. It fires .50 caliber, .510 slugs, and delivers roughly 700 to 760 foot-pounds of energy, pushing 550 grain slugs around 760 feet per second, while lighter 250 grain projectiles can reach about 130 feet per second. Power comes from a 4,500 psi carbon fiber air tank with 24 cubic inches of capacity, feeding a 29.5-inch barrel built for serious big-bore performance. Its standout feature is the Lightspeed dual-shot magazine, a unique two-shot chamber that lets you fire 2 full-power rounds as quickly as you can run the bolt, giving hunters something most big-bore air rifles simply do not offer: fast insurance when a follow-up shot matters. Backing that up is the lights-out valve system, engineered to dump a precise high-volume air pulse, giving around 3 full-power regulated shots per fill with an extra shot in reserve. The modern design keeps pushing forward with M-lobe mounting slots for accessories, an AR-style interchangeable grip, and ergonomics that feel much closer to a precision rifle than a traditional air gun. And then there is the real-world edge. The shrouded barrel helps tame blast compared with traditional .50 rifles or muzzleloaders, making it a quieter heavyweight for low-impact hunting where noise matters. In real-world use, it is built for big game hunting, survival preparedness, and shooters who want modern rifle handling with extreme pneumatic power, and it typically sells for around $900 to $1,100, making it one of the most innovative big-bore air rifles in its class. Next is the Air Force Texan LSS .50. Respected as one of the most refined big-bore air rifles ever built, sitting in a rare space between raw power and true precision, designed as a compressed air sniper platform that delivers serious energy with exceptional control and quieter operation than most rifles in its class. It runs in .50 caliber, with support for .457 and .30 configurations, producing up to 700 plus foot-pounds of energy. Velocity ranges from about 800 to 900 plus feet per second depending on slug weight, Powered by a 3,000 psi system feeding a 490 cubic centimeter carbon fiber bottle through a 34-inch barrel designed for long-range consistency. What defines this rifle is the ELS Super Shroud, a full-length integrated suppressor system that dramatically reduces the sharp report of a .50 shot, turning what would normally be a loud blast into a controlled, muted discharge. That makes it one of the most discreet big game air rifles ever fielded. Inside, a premium Lothar-Walther German barrel is matched to heavy lead slugs, delivering sub-ammo potential at 100 yards, which is exceptional for this power class. Unlike high-pressure platforms that demand extreme fill systems, the Texan LSS operates efficiently at lower pressures around 3,000 to 3,600 psi, giving it a balance of power and practicality. In real-world use, it is designed for big game hunting, survival preparedness, and low-profile field shooting where stealth matters as much as power. Capable of taking down animals like hogs and deer while maintaining a reduced noise signature for use in sensitive or high-risk environments. And in a long-term collapse scenario, its value only increases. Without reliance on gunpowder, primers, or traditional ammunition supply chains, it can remain operational as long as compressed air and cast slugs are available, keeping it relevant when conventional systems fail. With prices typically ranging from about $1,400 to $1,800 depending on setup, the Air Force Texan LSS stands as one of the most advanced and balanced big-bore air rifles ever made, combining stealth, power, and precision in a way few platforms can match. Next is the FX Impact M4, regarded as the pinnacle of PCP air rifle engineering, delivering elite-level accuracy, consistency, and adaptability that can rival rimfire rifles like the .22 LR out to 150 yards while maintaining low noise and virtually no recoil. This platform comes in 4 main configurations designed to match different shooting roles. The compact uses a 500mm barrel with a 300 cubic centimeter air bottle, keeping things short and agile. The standard steps up to a 600mm barrel with a 480 cubic centimeter bottle for balanced field performance. The sniper extends to a 700mm barrel and 580 cubic centimeter bottle for long-range control, while the extended configuration pushes even further with an 800mm barrel and the same high-capacity air system for maximum stability and reach. Across all versions, it supports .177, .22, .25, .30, and .35 calibers with operating pressures up to 3,625 psi. And muzzle energy ranging from 35 foot-pounds in smaller calibers up to 156 foot-pounds in .35. What sets the M4 apart is the level of refinement built into its system. The quick-set trigger allows shooters to instantly switch between a crisp match-style pull and a heavier hunting setup with a simple adjustment, giving true control over feel and response. In real-world precision terms, high-end PCP platforms like this can achieve sub-MOA accuracy at 100 yards, often outperforming entry-level rimfire rifles because pellets and slugs are not affected by the same explosive inconsistencies found in gunpowder cartridges. Even more impressive is its modular design, allowing full caliber changes in minutes by swapping barrels and probes, turning a single platform into a .177 target setup in the morning and a .35 caliber Predator rifle in the afternoon. Starting at a price of $1,700, it is built for precision hunting, long-range field shooting, and high-performance setups where flexibility and control define success. The Benjamin Bulldog Magnum .457 is the upgraded big brother to the original .357 Bulldog, built to close the gap between air-powered systems and firearm-level performance for serious North American big game like deer and feral hogs. It fires .457 caliber slugs and is compatible with .45 70-size projectiles, producing up to 450 plus foot-pounds of energy at roughly 760 to 800 feet per second with 350 grain slugs. Power comes from a 3,000 psi system with a 29-inch barrel, delivering about 3 to 4 full power shots per fill, which is typical for this level of big bore output. One of its biggest advantages is the 3-shot rotary magazine, giving it faster follow-up capability than many single-shot big-bore air rifles. That matters in real hunting situations where game is moving and seconds decide the outcome. It also features a high-flow valve and enlarged loading port designed to handle the massive air volume required to push heavy .45 caliber slugs effectively. The barrel is fully shrouded and baffled for sound suppression, making it significantly quieter than traditional .45 caliber firearms. It is not silent, but it keeps the report controlled enough for more discreet field use. What adds even more value is its ability to fire-cast lead slugs or round balls made from scrap material like old weights or lead sources, giving it real sustainability in long-term scenarios where factory ammunition is gone. It delivers stopping power comparable to a .45 ACP or .357 Magnum handgun while operating outside traditional firearm classification in the United States, meaning no background checks or waiting periods in many areas. The Daystate Red Wolf Black Edition, often called the Black Wolf, sits at the very top of the airgun world, engineered more like a precision instrument than a traditional rifle, featuring a fully electronic firing system where a computer controls each shot for extreme consistency and making it one of the most advanced precision shooting platforms ever created. It is chambered in .177, .22, .25, and .30 calibers, delivering energy from around 35 foot-pounds in .177 up to 95 plus foot-pounds in .30 caliber, with a field pressure of 3,625 psi and shot counts reaching over 400 rounds in lighter calibers, or roughly 30 to 40. High-power shots in .30. At the heart of it is MCT technology, where the rifle uses an internal digital map to calculate exactly how much air is needed for each shot based on remaining tank pressure. That means every trigger pull is adjusted in real time, keeping velocity consistent from the first shot to the last with extreme precision. The electronic trigger removes all mechanical variation. There are no traditional sears or spring brakes, just a clean electronic release that can be tuned for weight and sensitivity, giving one of the most consistent and crisp trigger experiences available in any shooting platform. In real-world use, it is built for precision hunting, long-range target shooting, and high-level field accuracy where consistency matters more than raw aggression, and depending on barrel configuration, it typically sells for around $1,200 to $1,800, positioning it as a premium digital airgun platform focused on controlled performance over brute force. And that is the reality of where PCP Air Rifles are heading in 2026. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who follows airgun technology, subscribe for more deep dives like this, and drop a comment below telling me what you think. Are PCP Air Rifles truly closing the gap, or is there still a clear line between them and traditional firearms?